Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Android package installer. If you're having trouble installing apps on your Android device, don't worry. I've got 5 easy solutions to help you get things working again. Let's dive in. The first and simplest solution is to restart your phone. Sometimes, temporary glitches can cause the package installer to stop working. Press and hold the power button, then select Restart. After your phone reboots, try installing the app again. If restarting doesn't work, clearing the cache and data might help. Go to Settings, then Apps or Application Manager. Scroll down and find Package Installer. I'm gonna try to use a different app for now, but the process is still going to be the same. Here, tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache and Clear Data. This removes temporary files that might be causing the issue. The next step is to check for software updates. Sometimes outdated software can interfere with app installations. Head to Settings, then tap Software Updates. If an update is available, download and install it. Updates often include fixes for bugs like this. If all else fails, you may need to reset your phone. Before you do this, back up all your important data. Go to Settings, then System or Reset Options. Tap Factory Reset and follow the on-screen instructions. This restores your phone to its original settings and resolves most issues. And there you have it! 5 ways to fix the Android package installer. Start with the simpler steps and only move to the factory reset as a last resort. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!